If you're looking for a program that can help you highlight your cursor in Windows, maybe you can consider this open source ad-hoc key script. It can display a spotlight around your cursor and ripple effects for mouse clicks. It also has a Keystroke OSD to display the hotkeys that you have pressed on the keyboard. You can also use this script to do some drawing on your screen. In order to use this script, you will need to download the ad-hoc key software and install it on your computer. And then you can go to this link to download the mouse highlighting script and unzip it to any folder on your computer. Then you can double-click the start file to launch the script. If you want to change some settings of the script, you can open the setting file with any text editor and then modify the values as you want. For example, if you want a ripple effect to go inward instead of outward, you can swap the values of these two properties. And if you want to make the ripple thicker, you can increase the value of this property, and this is going to be the result of our modification. There are another few special properties that I want to explain further. The first one is this OSD hotkey regex property. That property tells the script what kinds of key pressing should be displayed on the screen, and it uses regular expression to indicate the patterns of those keys. For example, if you wanted to display Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V on the screen, you can add this pattern to this property. And if you want it to display home when you press the home key on your keyboard, you can add home to the existing pattern. After modifying the setting file, please save it and then double-click on the start file again to let the script take in the new settings. And now, when you press the home key on the keyboard, it will display it on the screen. For more information about regular expression and ad-hoc keys, you can go to this page. The second property is the OSD key chords regex property. The meaning of key chord is just two sequences of key pressing. For example, in VS Code, you can press Ctrl-K and then press M to change the language mode. As long as the regular expression that can match with the keys you have pressed, the script will display those keys on the screen. So far, the script can only detect two sequences of keys pressing, so the pattern must also match two sequences. For example, Ctrl-K-M, Ctrl-K, Ctrl-C, and so on. You can also use the script to draw highlights on your screen, and you can define your own hotkeys to trigger the drawing mode. For example, if you want to use Ctrl-1 to trigger the drawing, you can just write down *1 here. The caret symbol here actually means the Control key. It is one of the symbols defined by ad-hoc key. You can find the full list of all the symbols from this page. In this example, the hotkey I use to trigger drawing is Ctrl-1. The hotkey to clear my drawings is Ctrl-3. That's it. If this helped you, please consider a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.